In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor employee productivity in QuickBooks Time using the browser version. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for to understand how your team is spending time and how scheduled hours compare to actual work. Let's start in your web browser. Log into your QuickBooks Time account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and find the section labeled Reports. This is your central hub for pulling insights from the time your team logs. To get a clear snapshot of total hours worked, go to the Tracking section and select Hours by Team Member. This report is great for understanding who worked how many hours in a given period and for spotting patterns like overtime or unusually low totals. At the top of the page, set the report dates to the exact time frame you want to review. This could be a week, a pay period, or a month, depending on how you track performance. When your dates look right, click Run Report. You'll now see total hours by each employee. Take a moment to scan the list and look for outliers. Consistency across similar roles can indicate a stable workload, while sudden spikes or drops may be worth a closer look. Remember, the accuracy of this view depends on timely clock-ins and clock-outs, so it's a good gauge of both productivity and timekeeping discipline. Next, let's compare scheduled work to actual work. Head back to the Reports area. Under Schedule Reports, choose Schedule versus Worked. This report helps you understand whether people are meeting their scheduled hours or if there's a gap you need to address. Again, set the report dates so you're evaluating the right window, and then click Run Report. Here, you'll see how planned hours stack up against what was actually recorded. Pay attention to differences. A consistent shortfall might indicate missed shifts or underallocation, while overages could mean people stayed late or took on extra tasks. Use this to validate coverage, balance workloads, and identify where schedules may need adjustment to match reality. If your organization has location tracking enabled, you can take your analysis a step further. Under Tracking, select GPS points to review location-based work activity. This can help confirm on-site presence and provide context for mobile or field teams. Always ensure that location tracking is enabled in line with your company's policies and local regulations. That's it for monitoring productivity in the browser version of QuickBooks Time. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.